off. You can see the Millennium Bridge in the far background. You can see this side. And two glowing people from the stage. Listen!
Slow work, good.
Young love, don't be like young love.
Where is that?
Oh, the scale of umbrella.
Where? What? I want to see some gay people.
I hope you get to this hard tape. This is what York has to offer. For me.
I think he's scared. I think he's gonna call.
I don't think he's going to my time. Here we have Dungeon. Good job, camera overall. We have travelling north. Yes, travelling north. Don't drop your camera. Quite chilly out here on the boat. You get a nice breeze of your backside there, which is quite lovely. I'm joking. Lovely houses by the other side. There's definitely other people we can sit in my talk. Oh. See, there's that colour really good going there. And they've got two young people on the bike, well, middle-aged.
Look at her.
We are going to be going over the Blue Bridge. It's under past. The Blue Bridge has been around in York now for many years. It's chilly, like I said. York's a raffle if you decide to come this York soon. The river is not very choppy at the moment. Look at the river. You'll have to watch it to want to do the Blue Bridge rock a picture.
Oh my god.
No, you're not taking a picture.
No.
Look at the swan. Look at the swan. Beautiful birds. They bite my bum all the time. Oh, some horrible geese over there if you look to your right. Okay, the camera woman wants to look to your right.
Where? Oh.
Not there.
Back
at the... That's it, can't wait.
Yeah, go.
Oh, it's woman, hi.
What's these people to have? Hi. Hello.
Who's a dog?
Chance.
German is also my sixth language. Oh.
There's loads of people coming down.
Let's see if these York people are polite and think they race well.
What?
I said call me.
Where? You do it again. Damn you bastard. Hi!
Guten Morgen.
Damn you bitches.
Fuck myself.
That's probably why it's not worth it.
Duck.
Look somewhere around
Yes,
there.
I'm a bit bored. How are you? Really cold.
There's someone on a bike, like. Look at that bike go.
Oh,
oh wow, the bikes are so cool. It's a double bike. What? Oh, we need to go faster. Earlier on, we said call me to the person in the blue jumper, and he received and replied saying, "Me call you." So we're just seeing if. Oh no, they're off onto the grass, so we might not get a chance to say hi. Hello! Morning, Blue.
Shut up. It's lovely. It's really lovely. It's a bit chilly.
Why have I got sunglasses on? Right. Oh, he's gone onto the bridge. Oh, look at these little. Look at these little cool vibes. This is what York has to offer. Shit, isn't it?
Shut up.
And look, here is the Cross Keys Bridge. As you can see, Cross Keys and a bridge. And a little thing there. Looks like a slaughter chamber to me. And
Look at the beautiful ironing.
Look at the iron. Just finished to perfection.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, he's come out.
Hello. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Dave. Actually, I'm dead. What?
I think it is. It isn't him. They're a bit pointless. What? Right, I'll stop.